Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Very soon after the last video. Anyway, in this video I want to show you a kit that I got from Malta, and that one looks like this. It's from Chi, if I'm saying right. It's travel toolkit on the go Glam travel kit. Looks like this, and this one is hair care set, and it has all the products that you see on the back. This one was on sale and was $99. I got this one because, as I said in another video, I'm gonna be out of the country for a month and a half in summer, and I need some items, and I got this one because I think this one is perfect to travel with, and even also for a college girl who needs something. This also can be a great gift. So let me show you what's in this one. I think this one is really worth it. It's my opinion. It might not be yours, but I think this one has all you need. The bag is big enough to add other items in this one. So let me show you what's in this one. First, the bag is really nice. A pink color. And of course those fluffy, and it looks like this inside. It has a couple of compartments here. It has one with zipper, it has one with elastic, so I think it's a good travel bag because you can fit in here many items beside the items that it has already. So the first and the biggest one in here is this one, and this one is a hair dryer from Chi. It's small. What I like about this is the fact that you can use it like this, fold it, if I can say it like this. And this one is Chai Travel dryer. It's 1400 watts, high and medium heat settings, foldable handle. So this part is great. As I said, it's the same color as the bag with silver. Looks like this. I think it's great. The next item in here is this one, and this one looks like this. I'm trying to show you this. I don't have enough space. It's still from Chi, if I'm saying right. All the products are from them. And this one is Chi ceramic 1-inch travel iron. It in as description is 1-inch ceramic plates, heats up to 392 Fahrenheit, and it has adjustable temperature, so you can do this here. I don't know if you can see, it has this button and this one also. So I think it's a good size to travel with. If you used to use those types of tools, this can be a great one. As I said, maybe for a college girl. And then also in this kit you have the manual for how to use those. The dryer comes with this attachment, and you have the manual also for the ceramic plate. It comes with this Chai, I have no idea how you pronounce it, is Keratin infused, and this one is Keratin silk, natural hair rejuvenation, provides moisture and nutrients, provides UV and thermal protection. Anyway, and then the last item, I think we have a couple more items in here. So there is a brush, a small brush here, very cute. I don't know if you can see, but it has kind of two different types of how you call that. Anyway, the brush looks like this. I don't know if you can see, it has one layer here and the other one here. I don't have any information about this. It's Boar and Nylon bristles, perfect for smoothing and detangling all hair types. And the last thing in here are those hair clips, and there are two of them. It says help keep hair in place while sectioning. So those are quite big and looks like this. Still from Chicha, whatever how you say it. So I think it's a good bag for somebody who used to style, who is in the styling hair. It might be a great one. You have a dryer, you have the ceramic plates, you have the brush, you have the clips, you have the chai keratin, and whatever you can use, whatever you like with them. But as I said, I think it's a great one to travel if you travel for a long time, and not just, and also can be a great gift for somebody. So you let me know what do you think about this one. This one was on sale. It has a value of over 140 or something like that. It was on sale for 99. So yeah, that's all for this video, that's all for this kit. Let me know if you like this one. The bag is really cute too. And that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon, probably with another unboxing. You have a great day. Bye bye.